y'all, it's Olivia. Welcome back, or hi if you're new here. My name's Olivia and I make mostly fashion videos, so make sure to subscribe for more. So like I said, I make mostly fashion videos, but I also do college related content because I am a freshman in college at NC State University. And today I'm going to be sharing what I got in my college care package. So my mom set up a plan with all the members of my family where each person has like a month and they send me stuff, and it's really sweet and it's always really exciting to get the package, and I'm super thankful for everything that everyone has sent me. I just got this huge package from my dad's girlfriend's mom. I call her Gammy. So thank you so much to her for sending me all of this, and today I just decided to share with you guys because I know that there's like a ton of information on Pinterest about what people get in their college care package, and I've just never seen anybody share one on YouTube, and I just thought that that would be a fun idea because I know a lot of my followers are about to go to college and are curious about things like this. Let's go ahead and just get started. She sent me 2 different types of Girl Scout cookies, which everyone loves Girl Scout cookies. It's always so exciting to get them. I used to be a Girl Scout and I just always love whenever their cookies come around. So she got me the caramel delights, which I didn't used to like these, but they were Doug's favorite and he made me try them, and now I really do like them. They have coconut on them, and I'm one of those people that like the texture of coconut I just cannot stand. Like it's not even the flavor, it is the texture, like coconut cake that has the coconut sprinkled on top. Like I can't eat the part that's on top because the texture just drives me insane, but it's not bad in these cookies at all. I actually love these. I've already started eating them. And then she also sent me the peanut butter patties, and I love these also. These have always been my favorite since I was little. She also sent me a big pack of Oreo minis, 2 packs of the gummies, the little worms, because those are my favorite. I've already started eating 1 pack. And then she also sent me a pack of Skittles. Always love to have candy in my dorm. Next, she sent me this little picture frame, and it has just like a little clip where you can add a photo to it, but I haven't added one yet. It just says, "You are inspiring and courageous" on it. I thought it said creative at first, but it says courageous. I'm excited to add a photo to it, but I don't have one with me at school, so I'm gonna have to print one out. But I'm excited to set another photo up because I just have one up right now, and I feel like in college you're supposed to have a ton of photos up, and I just have one. Next, she sent me a little pack of sticky notes, and I'm excited about these because this is how. Isn't it like the worst whenever your memory card runs out or your camera just decides to stop recording in the middle of the video? Because, yeah, that's what just happened. I was talking about these sticky notes that she sent me. I'm super excited about them. I use them to plan out blog posts if I haven't already said that. I just write what I want to post on the blog or on YouTube on the sticky note, and then put it on the calendar in my agenda where I think I'm going to post it, and then if I change my mind I can just pick it up and move it. I try to plan out my blog post, but currently I'm just sort of doing what I want. I need to really sit down and plan it out, but I haven't yet. But if you're someone that writes in your agenda and you get really annoyed whenever you have to scratch stuff out, because that's me, sticky notes are a great solution for things that might be subject to change, because then you can just pick it up and move it without having to scratch out anything on your agenda. And then the next thing she sent me was this super cute little pineapple notepad that's going to be good for like taking notes and things like that. And next she sent me these really fun magnets. They just say like "girls have more fun" and "more sparkle please," and then they just have little stripes and polka dots. So we have a fridge and we might put these on there, or we also have a whiteboard on our door that we might put these on. And speaking of whiteboards, she sent me these Expo dry erase markers, and they just have a bunch of really pretty colors, which will be nice because right now we just have the black one, and my roommate Jenna always likes to draw super cute stuff on it for like the holidays and stuff, so it'll be fun to have a colorful one to use, and I'm super excited about these. Next, she just sent me a toothbrush and a pack of Kleenexes, so getting little hygiene things like this is always good as well. She called me and there wasn't like a ton of stuff that I needed, but if there's something that you know that your college student needs, it's always good to send, or if it's something that you just know they're going to run out of or need eventually, that's also good to send, because none of us really want to go out and buy things like this for ourselves. So snacks are great for care packages because even though we have so many options in the dining hall and the food courts, we do get tired of the food, and it's not fun to spend all of your dining dollars in the vending machine because I know last semester I ran out of dining dollars. So I always love having like snacks and candy and things like that, little macaroni and stuff like that. I still have a ton of that and I love having that stuff, but then any type of hygiene stuff is also good to send. But it's also fun whenever you get a little surprise. So my surprise was in this UGG box, and it is just a pair of the UGG mittens, or earmuffs. a pair of the UGG earmuffs. They're so soft. I'm so excited to have these. They're like the light suede, and then there's like a little buckle on them right there, and these will be great to keep my ears warm around campus because whenever the wind blows I'm always like freezing. And I'm really excited to probably sell these on the blog, and it's gonna look so cute, and on Instagram and all of that stuff, so I'm really excited about these. So that is all I got in this care package. Thank you so much to everyone that has been sending me packages. I always love whenever I have a package. It's like so exciting because they send you a little email that it's downstairs, and then you get to go down there and get it, and it's always my favorite email to receive. So thank you so much to everyone that's been doing that for me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to subscribe and like this video. Like I said, I do a lot of fashion videos, but I've also done several college videos, so you can check out those. I talked about my sorority rush experience, and I did like a Q&A recently, so I have all of that. And I also do outfit of the weeks every week, so I do show what I wear here all the time. If you're interested in that, make sure to check that out. And if you're not following me on social media, that's also on the next slide, and I share stuff on that like every single day. So if you want to keep up with me, make sure to follow me on social media. But that is all I have today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and bye guys!